I can't believe I've never done one of my signature designs in this colorway before, so I am super excited to show you guys the entire process. I started off with the most beautiful buttery base, and of course, because it's summer, we love the pastels, we love a pop of color, which is why I went for a pastel pink cake board. And as much as I love making buttercream flowers, I absolutely love these sugar flowers that look so beautiful on any cake. And I really wanted these to be a showstopper, so I decided to put them right in the center of the cake. And then of course I went in with my cascading roses, so I started off with the colors first, and this is the most beautiful shade of green in Colour Mill. And then of course I went ahead and added the teeny tiny little roses. I absolutely adore how the pink roses look against the butter yellow base. Oh my goodness, it is so adorable. But this is the final design. I absolutely love how it came out, and please let me know what you guys think in the comments down below.